Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is the AM edition of the Foggy Bottom Kabuki Show report for January 16th in the year of perfect vision. Well, it's official. They walked the papers across the building and said, "Here you go." I think they're supposed to have the Chief Justice come in later and get sworn in, start swearing in the senators. Anyway, probably be some updates today before I post my last Foggy Bottom Kabuki Show report for today. Back to you when there's developments.